Alright boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We are in the beautiful state of Georgia, and more specifically Atlanta, Georgia, because today we are going to Caffeine and Octane at the drags at Atlanta Motor Speedway. Now, in casual form, boys and girls, you know you have to be the only one to park by yourself on top of a car park. Look at that flex, that beautiful view of the car. Y'all already know the number one rule. No matter what, you gotta park as far away from people as possible, because nobody can get in the way of how your car looks. All right, boys and girls, in Atlanta traffic, you already know we gotta get a cold start. Not too bad, boys and girls. Not too bad. All right, it is a 4-cylinder, but it does sound amazing in the morning, especially in Atlanta traffic. Babe. You're scared? Send it in the parking lot, babe. Send it. Yes, boys. Come on, boys. That wasn't bad. It's not bad.
A few inches later.
Look at boys. Atlanta Motor Speedway. Let's go. Yes, sir. All right, boys and girls, we just did make it, all right? The parking was crazy. We are in the actual infield, which is crazy. We got premium spectator parking, but there's a lot of cars out here. All right, everybody else got premium spectator parking. But yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna go look at some cars, see what they got going on. They got events, and it should be crazy. I don't know what to expect. It's my first time going, so yeah, it's gonna be fun regardless. So I'll see you guys. Let's see what we can get up to. All right, boys and girls. Look at the Mustang, she's looking good today. All right, parked next to a couple of other really good cars. Love to see it. Let's see what other cars we can find. Okay guys, we've come to the actual show, and Mr. David Patterson, that dude in blues Mustang, is just sitting right here. You know, crazy YouTuber, I don't know if you've heard of him, but yeah, Sub-Zero is just sitting right here for our entertainment, you know? Wow, I know he lives in Georgia, but that's mad. Sub-Zero's looking dope, man. Look, my favorite part is the dash. I don't know if he wants me to get the inside of his car, but the dash, you see that? You got it custom painted. That is amazing. Looks real good. It looks way better in person than it does on YouTube, I promise you guys. It looks nice. Gives me ideas for my Mustang. Boys, the COVID mobile, what do y'all think? All right? I think this is the dumbest looking car in the world. Beetles are already done to me, but it's so interesting, I cannot avoid it. Like, look at it. This thing is so weird, but I love it. I'm in love with it. All right, boys and girls, we got a GT350 and a brand new Mach 1. Which one do y'all like better? Personally, I've always been a fan of the GT350. I love the GT350. The Mach 1 looks amazing too, but if I had to choose, man, flat plane crank all the way. Definitely, 100%. Look at that, the all blacked out look is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. And look at the brakes on these boys. Look at the brakes on these, Jesus Christ. Hey, don't discount these either. These look crazy. Let's see, 6-piston Brembos, they look very interesting. And boys, if that's not enough, let's get a look at the spoilers, boys. The spoilers of these two. I personally like the track pack spoiler more. I think that's more interesting, more cool, more unique. This is also cool, but I love this, all right? That's awesome. Oh, hold up. Boys and girls, we have an R32 Skyline and we have a Miata. Oh, I love both of them. I'm a little bit more fond for the Skyline though. I love the R32s, man. They look sick. All right, but they look sick, but you gotta love the Miata. And look at those pop-up headlights, man. That's what it's all about. Look at that. It's so tiny. It's like literally half the size of my Mustang. That is absolutely nuts. But nice, I love it. Look at this, I found a Leadfoot GT350. All right, looking clean, simple. This is my style. I love the stuff that's very clean and very simple. And then you have the craziest Mustang out here, by far. You got the halos around the headlights, the match, and you got this crazy chrome wrap. Look, I'm just gonna walk around it, that way you guys can see it change. But Jesus Christ, ego boost. Wow, cool. I need that sticker. Look at this thing. Even the back is just all the way chromed out. That is absolutely nuts. I like that. And then you have my personal favorite, Leadfoot GT350. I'm just saying, if I had to pick one, it would definitely be a GT350. Is that an Eco? Is this an Eco? Yeah, because look, I mean the fenders and everything, yeah. Nothing, and it says boosted on the back like how I want it. Is it? I've never heard one sound like that before. Wait a minute, boys. How do I get mine to sound like that? It is an Eco. Oh my God. How do I get mine to sound like that? I need to ask them. Okay, sickest Eco boost here, guys. Like I said, I've only ever seen one here. This is the only one. And yeah, most special car here. I'm not biased, I promise. I love you guys, but this is it right here. This is what the show is. This is what everybody came for right here. Nothing else. Nothing else. All right, y'all. I made up my decision. This is my favorite car at the event right here. All right, me being an Eco guy, he's pretty much done everything that I want to do to it. You know, if I was to go crazy on the car. All right, GT350 front fenders, GT350 front, upgraded turbo. Oh man, all the stuff to it, man, and it looks crazy. GT, look, it's got the struts. All right, that's definitely something that I want to do in the future, is the struts. GT500 hood. That is nuts. Look at it. He's got the 6-piston Brembos on the front. They look crazy. I love that. That looks amazing. What size tires has he got? Hold on, let me see. 255s. And they got 255s all around. They look crazy. NATOs. Nice. Boys, I found a stinger. I found a stinger. If y'all know me, I love stingers. Jesus. I love everything about this. I love this. This is awesome. Look at this. The inside is crazy. Yes, and it's all-wheel drive. Oh, yes. This thing is beast. Oh, my God. Oh, it's a newer one, but it's not the new. It's not a 2022 because they had a small facelift. Look at this, boys. C8 Corvette rolling. C8 Corvette just rolling. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Hey, tell me this Aston Martin don't look sick, boys and girls. This thing looks mad. If you're looking for something that's like super unique, this thing is it. Like, it just blows any other car out. You just don't see these. All right, they draw crowds. On the other hand, though, this orange on this Mustang is crazy, and the person's in there, so I'm not gonna record him for too long. But hey, if you're watching this, man, nice car, bro. But look at this, man. This Aston Martin is sick, and the design is simple on it. Look, nothing is too over designed. Everything is just nice, and it has one style language, and that's it. It's beautiful. Boys, y'all already know. Y'all already know. If I could get another car, I would 100% think about getting one, bro. I've been looking at these. I love Supras, man. Look at the inside. Oh, man. Nice. Boys, look at the size of that turbo. Jeez. Yo, the size of this turbo is insane. Now this, boys and girls, gotta be one of my favorites so far, man. Every time I see a Supra, I love it. All Like, this is the craziest Camaro I think I've ever seen. Now, I know I said that last car meet, all right? And I'm sorry, guys. But look at this color, okay? And then look at the design. On top of that, it's wide-bodied. On top of that, it has the picnic table on the back. All right? Awesome. I love it. Look at this. This thing is nuts. Look at this. If y'all want to go follow him, go ahead and go follow him. But golly, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, y'all already know. Y'all already know. But look, this thing is nuts. Jesus. Boys, look, it's a Pontiac truck. It's like how, you know how they do the conversion for the Camaros to make them into a Pontiac? They do that for the truck. Jeez, it looks clean. Anything with black and gold looks really nice and clean. Look at that, what does the interior look like? It looks dope, man, it looks dope. Obviously, I like this, all right? Something like this is the unique stuff that I like to come here and watch. This is really nice. Look at here, boys and girls. I'm not usually a big fan of these with these big wheels on it. It's 4G autos, but this is clean, all right? They've done a very good job with it, and I can respect it. Overall, I think it looks neat. The black and white give that nice stormtrooper vibe to it. I like it. Look at that. Tail lights are tinted out, everything. It's beautiful. I like it. And then right next to it, you have the Wraith. All right, you can never go wrong with the Wraith. All right, look at that Rolls Royce. That matte color is crazy. That's one of the craziest things about him. Look, the door handle, it opens the other way. Look at this. The Rolls Royce is always facing up no matter what. That's crazy. That's really the top one. Wow. I like that. And in the front, it's beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. Look at this, boys and girls. The GT500. Look at that. That's the gold standard right here. This is it. I believe this is Ford Performance Blue. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at that front. It's so aggressive. It's on another level. And then once again, the brakes. Jesus Christ, that looks clean. Clean 305s with, what is it, 315s in the back. Even that back brake is huge. Jesus Christ. And then that hood, that track pack spoiler. Awesome.
Here.
Oh my God. See, that would be nice. Oh my God. Jesus. It has that smell, that new car smell that I remember.
It has 119 miles.
Uh-huh. Look at that, that beautiful digital gauge right there. Alcantara steering wheel, dual clutch, 7-speed. So it's got the different dial in the middle. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this carbon fiber trim. Oh my God. It's got Ford Performance on the bottom. That's mad. That's beautiful. All right, we just got done talking to that dude with the GT500, and I gotta say, he's one of the nicest dudes in the world, all right? There's a lot of people that have these crazy expensive cars, and they don't let us touch them, you know, talk about them, nothing. He just lets it look, and that's it. But this guy was straight up like, go ahead and open the car, go ahead and look inside. He loved talking about it, all that. So he's really nice. I love people like that, man. Shout out to him. And yeah, soon we're gonna be leaving though. A lot of people are starting to leave. Maybe I can catch some cars on the way out. Let's see. All right, boys and girls, we're leaving the meet now, or we're about to leave. We're passing right next to the drifters. But this has been super fun. I went ahead and looked at that dude in blue, David Patterson's Mustang again, Sub-Zero. Awesome car, it looks really nice. I did see him in person. I didn't want to go talk to him because he looks like he was busy doing something else. But I did see him, and I didn't want to, you know, do like how I did Bladed. You know, went up to him all shy. So, but he's a really cool guy. You know, I'm glad I got to see his car. So I got to see Ed Bolian, I got to see Bladed Angel, and I got to see that dude in blue. Huge accomplishment. I'm super proud. Awesome. boys and girls, after a few miles, we had made it back to the car. She is together in one piece. And I'll tell you guys what, after seeing all those cars look crazy, but this still looks really good. I still love this car, man. I still love my car. I love all the other cars, but I love this car. So that's it. We came here, Atlanta Motor Speedway, Caffeine and Octane at the drags. This is really cool. This is my first time ever coming here. It's been crazy. It's an insane experience. All right, I met a bunch of people. I saw David. All right, we saw some drag racing, some drifting. Got to see a bunch of cool builds. So yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, awesome video for today. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see y'all in a future video. Bye-bye.